Welcome to episode 137 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a little riff that involves a pull-off with your pinky and another one with your ring finger. And it's a nice challenge because it has to be really powerful. The pull-off that you're doing is such a strong part of it. It's just a simple, very bluesy riff, E major. Just that, so very simple. And what I'm doing is just E major, and then on a downstroke, I'm hitting on the third fret, the G, on the low E string, and pulling off. And you have to pull it off really powerfully. This is why it's a nice exercise with your pinky. Just as loud as you can get it, like that. And then I follow it up with a pull off from the ring finger, so. And then a hammer on again. So both the pinky and the ring finger get a bit of a workout from this. I'll play it really slow. And I would just start it very, very slow, with the metronome, of course, and just try to get those notes popping out as loud as the rest of the chord. These fingers, generally aren't as strong as your other fingers, your ring and your pinky especially, but they're very important, and if you can get them as strong as the others, they come in very, very handy when it comes to doing pull-offs during a melody. This is a way to really just focus on them. So, once again, I'll play the riff again. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a subscribe.